Sixth class student, today we will start history portion, lesson number second, the Stone Age and earliest societies. Historians believe that human beings first appeared on earth about 1.5 million years ago. The development of human beings on this earth is a very interesting process. Earliest humans were food gatherers, hunters, and nomads, always in search of food and shelter. They traveled from one place to another, hunted animals, and gathered fruits, roots, seeds, and nuts. When there was a shortage of animals or plants in one area, they moved to another area in search of food. They considered it safer to move in groups rather than wander about all alone. A group generally consisted of a few men and women and children who stayed together with the elders. Early humans led a primitive life. They remained without clothes during summers, but in the winter season they wore animal skins, leaves, and the bark of trees to keep themselves safe from severe cold. They used to spend their nights on trees or in rock shelters and caves that protected them from wild animals when asleep. How do we know about these peoples? We come to know a lot about the earliest human beings from their evidences in the form of stone tools and weapons. During the prehistoric period, human beings defended themselves against all types of wild animals using stones by attaching them to handle of bones or wood and by making weapons in the form of spears or arrows. They also hunted animals with these weapons. The stones helped early humans in different ways. For example, the stones were used to hunt animals. They were used to remove the skin of animals, cut meat and bones. Stones were also used to cut trees and clear forest. Wonderful to know, hominids, according to scientists, hominids were not human beings, but they were similar to human beings. Most of the scientists think that human beings developed or evolved from them. The Stone Age, the main object used by early humans were stone. They depended on stones for their survival. That is why this period is called the Stone Age. On the basis of development of different stone tools, anthropologists have divided the Stone Age into different stages. Stone Age is classified into three sub-periods on the basis of the type, quality of stone tools used by early humans. Number 1, Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. Number 2, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. Number 3, Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. Now we will discuss about the Paleolithic Age. It is considered that evolution of mankind started in this period. It roughly began around 5 lakhs BCE and ended around 10,000 BCE. This period is further subdivided into three phases on the basis of changes in climate and stone tools used. The division is as follows: Lower Paleolithic Age or Early Old Stone Age, Middle Paleolithic Age or Middle Old Stone Age, Upper Paleolithic Age or Upper Old Stone Age. Lower Paleolithic Age. This age is considered as the formative age. During this age, many parts of the earth were covered heavily with ice and the climate was extremely cold. Geologists define this cold period as Ice Age or Pleistocene period. The most common tool of this age was the hand axe, which was mainly used for chopping trees and hunting animals. Therefore, these tools are also known as choppers. In India, these tools were mainly found in Punjab and on the banks of river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Next one is Middle Paleolithic Age. The main tools of this period were the different types of borers and scrapers made of stones. These tools have been found from different places in India that include the banks of river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh and the Son Valley in Punjab. Upper Paleolithic Age. Upper Paleolithic Age is the final phase of the Ice Age. This age ends just at the outset of agriculture. During this age, the climate changed dramatically. From cold, it became warm. The tools used by humans during this age were blades and burins. Discovery of fire. During this period, early humans learned to light fire. It was one of the greatest discoveries made by early humans. Early humans knew about fires. They saw natural fires such as forest fires, but they did not know how to light a fire on their own. How did humans learn to light a fire? Perhaps two stones were rubbed together, producing sparks, and the sparks fell on some dry leaves lying nearby. Or perhaps lightning struck a tree and it went up in flames. Early humans soon discovered that they could use fire to keep themselves warm in cold and to scare away wild animals. They discovered that the flesh of animals tasted better when heated on fire and learned cooking. Next one is the Mesolithic Age. The Mesolithic Age started around 10,000 BCE and ended around 8,000 BCE. The climate changed and became dry and warm. Humans of this age developed small, sharp, pointed stone tools called microlithics. Wonderful to know, microlithics are found in many parts of India like Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand and also on the banks of the river Ganga between Gazipur and Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. The Neolithic Age. This period lasted from about 8000 BCE till about 4000 BCE. The tools of this new stone age were more advanced than earlier age tools, much sharper than the tools of Mesolithic period. They sparkled due to polishing technique used over them. Tools of this period were axes, sickles, spears, and arrowheads. Making of stone tools. Tools belonging to the three Stone Age periods were found at many places. Stone was early available at that time. Therefore, most of the tools were made up of stone. Early tools were made up from crude stone and were used for particular needs. Later, they discovered flint, a type of stone, and used it for making tools and weapons. Flint has special qualities. It can chip easily and can be molded into different shapes. Small and big stones were used to make tools and weapons. Axe head, hammers, and choppers were made from big stones. The axe head was tied to a stick which made it a more efficient tool. Knives and scrapers were made from small pieces of stones. Arrows and spears made from smaller stones were used to hunt animals.